If you live on the west coast of Florida and have experienced severe loss and damage during Hurricane Ian, maybe stop this video now. I say that out of love and sincere care for what you have been going through. Since making this video, I have learned of deaths and horrors and unimaginable tragedies. And that's my warning. And my prayer is that you are healing and repairing emotionally as well as materially. I'm just so sorry. That said, here was our unremarkable experience if you are interested. It's the next day, we still have electricity. It's really windy, the ground is very saturated. I'm in my bathroom. I took a shower and washed my hair while I still can, and the kids are crazy, so I came in here to give a little update. My in-laws are over here as well, and they are making lunch and dinner, so we will have food. I hope you are well and safe. I'm thinking of you.
Il pesce che ha pescato David.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize he's the one who gave him the fish. And pasta. Filling up some water bottles.
Okay, my turn. Okay.
The power went out and it came back.
That tree's gonna fall down.
What tree?
The bush. Look. You tried, buddy.
Get some of your energy out. So all the water that I put in here yesterday is gone. So I read you could put a plunger on it to try to plug it. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, seems to be doing the trick for now.
Lei?
Water from your pet.
No, ma lei non so.
A conference over there.
No.
Are they at their house? They're home. They're home and their house is flooding.
It is flooding, yeah.
We keep hearing stories of friends who have already been flooded or even flooded this morning because our ground was already so saturated before this even started. We've had storms for weeks now, so there's been so much rain. So I just have goosebumps. I'm, thinking about people. I heard wind coming in through the door and it made like a really loud whistle.
That's what it was. I thought someone was whistling.
We're all freaking out because somebody sent us a picture of what's going on down the street from us near the beach.
This is going to continue. I gotta believe Fort Myers Beach.
This is gorgeous, dude. I love it. You don't even have like a ice ribbon thing.
No, ti capivi?
No, there was a big bang.
Il generatore è stato
The transformer.
Yeah.
It was probably over here. And that was the electricity. So we're not gonna have that for a while. It's just hours of this. Follow me for more hurricane tips. It's completely empty. But if you don't have a pool, this actually worked. It's a plastic bag over the drain, and then I put just like a ceramic vase on top of there. I did put a ribbon around the fridge to prevent people from opening it.
Oh, I can see them.
So the storm appears to be calming down, but unfortunately we've heard from a few friends. One friend just said that the houses around her are underwater and that 3 boats hit her house. So we're doing pretty well at our house. Things are just a mess, but there's no real trouble. So I'm really just focused on praying for our friends and you if you're in this circumstance. be a lot of cleanup, but boy, we can't complain.
Here, he's like giving away our thing. No, I'm not. I'm just looking. You said it's Ted. Adrian, stop.
And that's reality.
3, 2. Is your character a girl? Yes. Alrighty.
I don't know if it's been coined yet, but Luca said, are we just chillbillies now?
There it is. I'm the first one.
I don't know, but that is so
Maybe
funny.
because the first one.
Dinner.
Good.
Good dinner.
Yeah, it smells good in here. Because the candle.
Because the candle. That was not a great night's sleep. And I just got off the phone, finally got through with my best friend, and she says that there was a 10-foot surge by their house. I don't know what to say. Gonna need some coffee to carry on. Outside, this is cold coffee from yesterday. Generator is not working for some reason. I'm just so worried about our friends. There's the sound of chainsaws and generators in the background. Smells like broken pine trees. Since my bathtub trick didn't work, I used the pool. I didn't know you were gonna do this. Oh my gosh. A friend came over and helped us get the generator running, so we have the TV and the air conditioning, and that's all we're using so far, but we're so grateful. I'm going to end my video here. At the time I'm recording this, I'm not able to send text messages yet and have not been able to watch the news, but I know from our circle of friends alone that there's a lot of devastation and cleanup that will take a very long time. Our prayers and love are with you.